Hey babies, good morning. Happy Friday. I'm in such a good mood today. I don't know why. I just am. My back is feeling a lot better than it did yesterday. I mean, it still hurts, but it's nothing like it was yesterday and the day before. I can actually move now. I could walk, but when I bend over, that's when it really hurts or I try to like sit down or something or if I sit too long, girl, it agitates my back so much. But either way, I feel so much better. Can't you tell my spirit is up? Like I woke up 100 pounds lighter or something. I wish, but I feel so much better. Morning coffee. Y'all already know. I need to make breakfast, or my husband needs to make breakfast. We can make breakfast together, cause baby, why not? But he's over there playing with his watches. He just bought himself a new watch box, so he's like, and he got a new watch. Two new watches actually. So he's over there playing with his watches. But that's not the point. Today is Friday, like I said. What are we going to do? I don't know. I don't know. But I do need to do Ari's hair this weekend because she wants to be, what's her name? I don't know if any of you guys got kids and you watch that K-pop Demon Hunters. They watch that, or if you know the show. But she's going to be Mira, I believe. And the one with the pink hair, she's going to be her. So she wants me to redo her hair so it could look like that, but with beads. Like the two little things in the front or whatever, the ponytails. Child, she wants me to do that for her. So I'm going to try to attempt the style. It's a lot of work because her hair's so thick. So that means I got to take her braids out, wash it, and blow dry. Like, just too much. I. It's not too much because it's my baby, but it's a lot of work. So pray for me. Pray for me. Hope I get through it. Well, I will get through it. Don't hope. I will. I will. I will. But there's no real plans this weekend. That's really the plan. Just do her hair. Ugh. My ear's itching. Anyways, outfit of the day. I feel like I look cute today. And I look very, like, my outfit's very simple, but I think I don't know. It's probably my mood. It's probably my mood that's making me think that I look cute. And I look skinty today. Maybe because I feel like I'm 100 pounds lighter. I don't know. But outfit of the day, I have on an active top, some active flare pants. Let me show you guys. Let me show you guys. Yes. And of course, my fanny. And I wore my Tasmans and a black jacket. But I feel like I look skinty today, right? Do I look skinty? Babe, do I look skinty today?
Yeah, you do, babe.
He gonna say yeah anyway, even if I don't. But that's his job. He's supposed to. He's supposed to hype me up. Hype me up. Y'all seen that guy on I don't know if he's on TikTok, but I always see him on Instagram. I think his name is Joe or Joey or whatever, and he's the hype me up guy. Child, hype me up. And then he'd be like, I can't do too much because my back. But anyways, I'm gonna let you guys go for now. I'm about to make me some breakfast, start my day. Ari's at school. So, oh, I'm making beef stew for dinner. So I'm gonna start that. We could do that together actually. I'm just gonna do it in the Instant Pot. 30-40 minute meal. One pot meal. We love that. So that's gonna be dinner for tonight with some rolls, some Hawaiian rolls. I wish I had some cornbread, but I don't feel like going to the store. So we gonna do what we do. Since we got rolls, that's what it's gonna be. Rolls and beef stew. Yeah, we're gonna do that in a few. But first, let's have breakfast. just do it for another 2 hours. Okay, babies, it's time to add the potatoes and the carrots because I put the meat on for another 20 minutes so that it just falls apart. Yeah. Okay, so I just picked up Ari.
Hello.
And I brought her a little surprise. I also got myself a little coffee. Cheers.
I wonder what the surprise is. Can't wait. Can't wait.
Close your eyes.
Okay. I'm just looking to the side. I'm not looking.
The sun is like sunning today, baby.
Can y'all see it? What is? Ow!
It's so cute. Here, boo.
Mommy,
put it down.
Can I look?
Don't. Yeah.
It's so cute.
Right?
Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna.
Is it good? A mother of the year. Cheers again, baby. All right, we're about to go upstairs. I did finish making the beef stew. I'm going to show you guys when I plate it or when I bowl it or when I dish it up or whatever you call it. When I serve it, there we go. When I serve it, I'll show you guys how it came out. My husband said it's really good. So, we about to eat when we go upstairs. I may be stupid. That's what we're going to have for dinner.
Okay.
All right, I'll be back.
Wait.
Oh, you want to show them what you got?
Yeah, from school since if you don't know what shark bait is, it's a thing that has like it could be any color, but blue, pink.
Okay, so she got a prize.
Yeah, so basically we're having a shark bait bowl, and if we fill it up all the way, we get a prize. So this is one of the prize. I don't know if you can see it, but it's Play-Doh.
She got Play-Doh, 2 of them.
It's pink and red.
All right. I'll be back.